Hey everyone, welcome back to Practical Paths, and today we'll be exploring 10 simple asanas perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to yoga or just looking for a gentle practice, these poses will help you get started on your journey to a healthier and more balanced life. Let's dive in. The first one is mountain pose or Tadasana. We'll start with mountain pose or Tadasana. Stand with your feet together, weight evenly distributed on both feet. Engage your thighs, tuck in your tailbone and lift your chest or breast. Relax your shoulders down and away from your ears. This pose helps improve posture and balance. The second one is downward facing dog or Adho mukha svanasana. Next, we have downward facing dog or Adho mukha svanasana. Start on your hands and knees. Tuck your toes and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. This pose stretches the shoulders, hamstrings and calves while strengthening the arms and legs. The third one is cat-cow pose or Marjaryasana Bitilasana. Moving on to cat-cow pose or Marjaryasana and Bitilasana. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale, arc your back and lift your head for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin for cat pose. This sequence improves spine flexibility and warms up your body. The fourth one is child's pose or Balasana. Child's pose or Balasana is a great resting pose. Kneel on the mat, sit back on your knees and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. This pose gently stretches the hips, thighs and ankles, promoting relaxation. The fifth one is Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana 1. Now let's try Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana 1. Step 1 foot back, keeping it at 45-degree angle. Bend your front knee while keeping your back leg straight. Raise your arms overhead, palms facing each other. This pose builds strength in the legs and improves focus. The sixth one is Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2. From Warrior 1, transition into Warrior 2. Open your hips, extend your arms parallel to the ground, and look over your front hand. This pose strengthens the legs and core while opening the hips and chest. The seventh one is tree pose or Vrikshasana. Tree pose or Vrikshasana is excellent for balance. Stand one leg, place the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh or calf, avoid the knee, and bring your hands to prayer position. Find a focal point to help maintain balance. The eighth one is bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Next, we have bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back, bend your knees and place your feet hip width apart. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, clasping your hands under your back. This pose strengthens the back, glutes and hamstrings. The ninth one is seated forward bend or Paschimottanasana. Seated forward bend or Paschimottanasana is a great stretch for the back and hamstrings. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale to lengthen your spine and exhale to fold forward. Reach into your feet. Keep your back straight as you hinge at the hips. The last one is corpse pose or Savasana. Finally, let's end with corpse pose or Savasana. Lie flat on your back, legs comfortably apart and arms at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take deep breaths, allowing your body to fully relax. This pose promotes deep relaxation and stress relief. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, yoga is a personal journey, so listen to your body and take it at your own pace. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Practical Paths and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Let me know in the comments below which asana was your favorite or if you have any questions. Namaste.